Oprah Winfrey, a voice that shook the world. Have you ever imagined a life where every obstacle becomes a stepping stone to greatness? Picture a young girl born in a tiny, weathered shack in rural Mississippi, surrounded by dirt roads and the hum of cicadas, with no promise of a future, yet destined to become a global icon. That girl was Oprah Winfrey, a name that resonates with hope, resilience, and transformation. Her story is not just a tale of rags to riches, it's a testament to overcoming adversity, facing life's harshest trials with unyielding courage. For B1-B2 learners, this journey offers more than inspiration. It's a chance to master heartfelt phrases like give back and make a difference, while practicing English through vivid narratives and interview-style dialogues. Prepare to be moved as we step into Oprah's world, exploring every twist and turn that shaped her path to empowerment. Are you ready to uncover the secrets behind her rise? Chapter 1. The Shadows of a Humble Beginning. Oprah Gail Winfrey entered the world on January 29, 1954 in Kosciuszko, Mississippi, a small town where poverty clung to the air like the thick summer heat. Her birth took place in a modest farmhouse, a place with cracked wooden walls and a roof that leaked during storms. Her mother, Vanita Lee, was a teenage housemaid, struggling to make ends meet, while her father, Vernon Winfrey, a barber, was mostly absent during her early years. I was born into a world where survival was a daily battle, Oprah later recalled in a heartfelt interview, her voice trembling with memory. We had no electricity, no running water, just a tin tub for bathing, and dreams that seemed too big for our little shack. Life with her grandmother, Hattie Mae, was marked by hardship. Oprah wore dresses sewn from potato sacks, her tiny feet bare against the red clay soil. At age 3, she memorized Bible verses to earn praise at church, her first taste of recognition. Those moments gave me hope, she said, her eyes shining with nostalgia. But at 6, she moved to Milwaukee to live with her mother, who worked exhausting shifts as a maid. The city brought new challenges, overcrowded apartments, scarce food, and the shadow of abuse. I had to overcome adversity every single day, Oprah shared. It was like carrying a weight I couldn't see, but I refused to let it crush me. Books became her refuge. Under the dim light of a borrowed lantern, she devoured stories of strong women and far-off lands. At Earth, she joined her father in Nashville, where Vernon enforced strict rules and a love for education. He made me read a book a week, she laughed during an interview. Education was my ladder out of poverty. This chapter of her life, filled with struggle and small victories, laid the foundation for her unbreakable spirit. Chapter 2. The Spark of a Voice. By 19, Oprah's life took a dramatic turn. At the local beauty pageant, Wynn earned her a scholarship to Tennessee State University, where she studied communication. It felt like the universe opened a door, she said, her voice filled with gratitude. Her first job at WVOL Radio in Nashville revealed her natural talent for storytelling. I discovered my voice could connect with people, she explained, her tone warm and inviting. In 1976, she moved to Baltimore to co-anchor the morning news on WJZ-TV, a bold step into the spotlight. The transition wasn't easy. Critics labeled her too emotional for TV, her tears during stories of hardship drawing mixed reactions. I was told to hide my feelings, she recalled, but I knew my emotions were my strength. She persisted, Hosting People Are Talking, a talk show where her authenticity shone. In 1984, she relocated to Chicago for AM Chicago, a struggling program. Within months, her personal stories of overcoming adversity turned it into a hit, rebranded as The Oprah Winfrey Show. I learned to use my voice to make a difference, she reflected, her journey igniting a national movement. Chapter 3. Crafting an Empire with Purpose. In 1986, The Oprah Winfrey Show went national, beaming into 20 million homes weekly. Oprah's rise to a media mogul was meteoric, but her heart remained with those she'd left behind. I promised to give back to my community, she said, her voice steady with resolve. She founded Harpo Productions in 1986, a company named backward from her first name, giving her creative control. The studio, a former warehouse transformed with warm lighting and cozy sets, became her kingdom. It was my way to make a difference, she noted, overseeing every script and interview. In 1996, Oprah's book club debuted a segment that turned obscure novels into bestsellers. Books saved me, she explained during a live taping, and I want to save others with them. Her influence grew with the Oprah Winfrey Network, OWN, in 2011, a venture born from years of planning. She interviewed global figures, Nelson Mandela, Michelle Obama, asking, how can we make a difference together? Her wealth, exceeding $2 billion, funded schools, homes, and relief efforts. Money is a tool to lift others, she said, her empire a beacon of empowerment. Chapter 4. A Heart That Gives Back. Oprah's philanthropy is legendary. In 2007, she opened the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for Girls in South Africa, a sprawling campus with classrooms, dorms, and gardens. I built it to give back to girls facing poverty like I did, she shared, tears in her eyes. The academy, costing $40 million, educates hundreds, offering hope where none existed. She visited often, teaching classes and hugging students, her laughter echoing through the halls. Her generosity extended globally. After Hurricane Katrina in 2005, she donated $10 million and aired a telethon, urging viewers to give back. Every dollar helps, she said, her voice breaking with emotion. The Favorite Things episodes, where she gifted cars and gadgets, weren't just entertainment. They were acts to make a difference. It's about joy, she explained, and showing love to those who need it. Her actions turned personal pain into a worldwide legacy of kindness. Chapter 5. Echoes of a Global Influence. By 2011, the Oprah Winfrey Show ended after 25 years, a tearful farewell watched by millions. Yet her impact grew through ODIN, producing shows like Queen Sugar and Greenleaf. I never stop learning, she said during a press conference, her glasses reflecting the stage lights. Awards piled up. The Presidential Medal of Freedom, in 2013 a Golden Globe for The Color Purple, each a nod to her overcoming adversity. I dreamed of this as a child, she admitted, her voice soft with wonder. Her book club evolved into Oprah's Book Club 2.0, reaching digital audiences. She launched Oh, the Oprah magazine, its pages filled with stories of resilience. In interviews, she asked, how can we give back to our communities? Her influence shaped culture, from Oscar-winning films to global charities. My life is about making a difference, she declared, her journey a blueprint for empowerment worldwide. Chapter 6. The unseen struggles and triumphs behind Oprah's success were unseen battles. She battled weight issues, yo-yo dieting through her 20s and 30s. It was a private adversity, she confessed, in a rare moment. Therapy and self-love helped her overcome adversity. Her relationship with Stedman Graham, a steady presence since 1986, offered support. He taught me balance, she said, smiling. Rumors of adoption filled tabloids, but she focused on her spiritual children, academy girls and fans. Her faith deepened over time. God guided me through every storm, she shared, her voice filled with peace. This spiritual strength fueled her philanthropy. Every act of giving back is a prayer, she noted. These personal victories, hidden from the spotlight, added depth to her public triumphs, making her a symbol of holistic empowerment. Chapter 7. A legacy that inspires generations. As of 2025, Oprah's legacy thrives. OWN produces diverse content, her podcasts reach millions, and her book club remains a cultural force. I want to leave a world better than I found it, she said in a recent interview, her tone resolute. Her Leadership Academy graduates lead communities. Her donations fund global education. It's about making a difference long after I'm gone, she added. Her story inspires books, documentaries, and speeches. Fans worldwide share how she helped them overcome adversity. Oprah taught me to dream, one fan wrote. Her wealth, influence, and heart create a ripple effect. True riches are in empowering others, she reflects. This chapter of her life is ongoing, a living testament to resilience and kindness. Oprah Winfrey's journey from a Mississippi shack to a global stage is a symphony of courage, compassion, and change. Her ability to overcome adversity transformed personal pain into a powerful voice. Her choice to give back built schools and lifted spirits, while her drive to make a difference reshaped media and society. For B1, B2 learners, her story is a mirror. Every English word you master, every conversation you dare to have, is an act of empowerment. Like Oprah, face your challenges head on, share your gifts with others, and leave a mark on the world. Tell us in the comments, how will you give back with your English skills? Let her unbreakable spirit guide your path to greatness. Thank you very much for your listening. Wishing you a nice day, and see you in the next video.